Hello, scrappers. This is the first loader brought in this morning. Got an old riding mower, 15.5 horsepower. Got like 3 mowing decks on here, one on the other side. And I got 2 wash machines and a dryer. You got some metal shoved in there. It's a heavy load. I know that coming home. You could tell I had some weight on there. I'm glad I got those super springs on there. Got like a range hood here, a microwave down there. My steps broke. Yeah, well, house pressure tank. Oh yeah, there's the kind of a pump motor. By looking at the windings, I'm not really sure if that's going to be copper. Might be aluminum. Just hope for copper. Okay, and there's the second load out there. Quick, easy load. I got to get this unloaded here in a few minutes so I can take my daughter's boyfriend up to pick up his truck. It broke down like last night, I guess, or this morning. So, gotta get these mowers off the trailer. That ladder, aluminum extension ladder. And after that, we can head out. Got barbecue grill and got the garage door opener. It's got a good motor in it. Just a lot of metal in here, so yeah, they loaded me down pretty good on this load. So not too shabby. So he said he can't find the title to the car, so I said, well, I got enough to cut up right now. So I said, if you can find it, I said, you know, then get back a hold of me. If not, you know, oh well. So take it one day at a time, I guess. Anyway, I'm not going to worry about the bed of the pickup at this moment. I'll have to get it done later tonight or tomorrow morning. But definitely try to get these 2 off of here. That back tire there might work on my John Deere. I got a tire that's going flat pretty fast on it, so. But I'll get this unstrapped and we'll get it all pulled off of here, and then I'll go up and get his car and get it home, get it pulled off, then possibly park this trailer tonight or in the morning, and then try to get the Colorado unloaded. I don't know, I'm not sure. Well, not sure if there's anything. Well, yeah, that end of the ladder there is pretty boogered up, so probably have to cut this one up for scrap. Anyway, I want to thank everybody for watching and stopping in and see what the goodies I got, which that might be a good one to fix up, maybe. I don't even know if it's got a battery. Yeah, I think I'm up too far right now. I got the winch hooked to this one and got it wedged up in there, so I'll have to get the controller and get some slack on the cable, pull it out where I can unhook it, and we'll get it from there. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. You guys, hopefully you're getting some good loads. Stay hydrated in this heat. You guys down in Australia, I imagine it's nice and cool down there this time of year for you guys. When it's summer here, it's winter there. So you guys stay warm down there. Probably won't be too much longer. I can take in some cans. So you guys take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.